Can I use a universal remote with a TV code lookup to control my TV?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of universal remotes. We will particularly focus on how you can use a universal remote with a TV code lookup to control your TV. By the end of this video, you will be able to use your universal remote effectively and efficiently.
What is a universal remote?
A universal remote is a remote control that can be programmed to operate various brands of one or more types of consumer electronics devices. Low-end universal remotes can only control a set number of devices determined by their manufacturer, while high-end universal remotes allow the user to program in new control codes to the remote.
What is a TV code lookup?
A TV code lookup is a database or list that contains codes for various TV models. These codes are used to program a universal remote to control the corresponding TV. Typically, a TV code lookup comes in the form of a booklet included with your universal remote, but it can also be found online on the manufacturer's website.
Can I use a universal remote with a TV code lookup to control my TV?
Absolutely. In fact, that's one of the primary functions of a universal remote. You can program your universal remote to control your TV using the TV codes provided in your TV code lookup. This will allow your universal remote to communicate with your TV, replacing the need for multiple remotes.
How to program a universal remote?
1. Turn on your TV. Start by turning on the TV you want to program. 2. Find your TV's code. Use the TV code lookup to find the code corresponding to your TV's model. This could be in the manual of your universal remote or on the manufacturer's website. 3. Enter the programming mode. Press and hold the TV button on your universal remote. Typically, a light will start to flash or stay steady on the remote, indicating it is in programming mode. 4. Enter the TV code. While the remote is in programming mode, enter the code for your TV model using the number buttons on the remote. 5. Confirm the code. Once you've entered the code, the light on the remote should turn off, indicating that the code has been accepted. Test the remote by trying to control your TV. If it doesn't work, you may need to try a different code from the TV code lookup. Programming a universal remote with a TV code lookup is a fairly straightforward process. Not only does it reduce clutter by eliminating the need for multiple remotes, but it also makes controlling your TV more convenient. We hope this video was informative and helps you navigate your way around using a universal remote. Happy viewing!